our patient who's going back home 5 days after we've done a face makeover type of surgery. Combination of lot of orthodontic work, combination of rhinoplasty, combination of soft tissue work. I'm going to show you what all we've done. Have a close look. We're going to start from his nose. Look at the nose, it's much more narrow, much more sharper. Look at the position of the tip. Then the next, look at the lips, the amount of teeth exposed. Smile. Yeah, you can see how his smile is now, and it's still early days, so you won't be able to smile the way. Next, look at the cheekbones. Smile a little bit. Okay, look at that. Now it's prominent, not like the way. The chin, have a nice shape of the chin, shape of the lips. Okay, now we're going to move and show you the side views. Look at the side views. Look at that. This angle was very much roundish. We've made it more angular, 110 degrees. This relation is not okay now in the pre-op, and we fixed that relation as well. So it's a total work on the chin, on the angle, on the upper lips, lower lips, nose, cheeks. Right, I'm going to show you once more. About 5 days over, right? Okay, you are having any pain after 5 days? No much pain. But I've asked you to take some soft solid diet. You cannot open your mouth much, right? All of that will settle down, and you're going to look really beautiful, really handsome, okay? It's going to take some more time, as I said, 3 to 4 weeks. 3 weeks rest, 1 week here I told you. 1 day earlier you're leaving us and going. So he comes from the city of Hyderabad, and yes, so I think the result is very good. Yeah, you're happy, right? It will be super. So only thing, you will be brushing well, you take care of your oral hygiene, and after some time, if you need, you can get some braces back in Hyderabad to get that fine central midline, everything. But we've given you the same occlusion, a much more precise position of the upper and the lower jaws, and also fixed your chin, okay? And that's your scan. And look at the kind of work that we've done. You can see the plates everywhere. This is the plate of the SAGs, this is the plate of genioplasty, this is the wires from the eyelets. You have some 4 screws there. So in all, we have a long plate here. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2 plus 2. So that's 8 screws, 8 plates, and 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24. 24 screws and 8 plates in your body. Okay, these are very good titanium and they don't cause a problem. But in case they do, then we can always easily take them out. In case they do, like less than 1 in 100 patients have a problem, because we put a lot of implants. You know, like if you put 1 or 2, the problems is very, very minimal. But when you're putting too many, I've seen that over a period of years, maybe 1 out of every 100 patients or every 60, 70 patients has some problem with one implant somewhere, you know. They might say that it can feel something, or they feel some tingling thing, or whatever. If you have a complaint, we can easily take them out if need be.